Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today's date is 9th October 2024. Let us see what has happened in the morning in the market, and we have also given some free calls in the group. At 10 o'clock in the morning, we said today's bullish stock. Yeah, I think today's 10 o'clock right here. Today's bullish stock is Cipla and Maruti, not 10 o'clock, 8:31 a.m. We posted in our premium group as well as in the free group. So Cipla has given very good profit, and Maruti also very good profit. Let me show you how much profit it has given us today. Cipla, this is Cipla. See, since morning, once first candle high is broken, we can be in buy. Otherwise, we have to wait for our MST iCore 2.0 second buy entry. Either one you can do. Once we have opened this, we have to keep NSE tomorrow for trading in the stock when we got the filtered stock already. So we will be ready before the market is open. Okay, at 8:53 a.m. At 8:53 a.m. I said Cipla stock to be traded in buy only, which means bullish trade. So we have to take NSE tomorrow and we have to trade accordingly. So what is the entry price? 1654, and see how much I made 1700 plus. So around 50 plus points we have got in the Cipla. And what about the Maruti? Maruti buy activated 12,631. First high made 12,790. Once again it has come down to our buy zone. Again it has given target. Once again it has come down. Again it has given the very good profit. More than 300 to 400 points we have got in the Maruti also. Okay. Coming back to our all-time tradable script, that is BANKNIFTY. So in the morning what happened? Buy activated exactly at our buy zone. Just now I released one Tamil video. So that is why all these settings are ready to show you. So now it has come down to our buy zone, then buy activated, first target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target, sixth target and seventh target. All targets hit. In the evening, it has come down to our buy zone once again, buy activated, first target, second target hit. So now I have kept in 1:2 ratio. Okay, 1:2 ratio. You see the group. In group, what I said, at 10:40, I had taken CE call. For how much? I took 120. Again it came down, I added 100. Again it came down, I added 80. Again when it crossed 150, I have added 200 quantity. So while at the time of exiting the market, I had 240 quantity. 240 quantity I had totally. I just accumulated. So now it has made high 237, then 200 points it has given profit. It kept on going. Then finally from here it got reversed. Then what happened? At 11:17 I said 51,800 put option. What time? 11:17. See here when the market was reversed. 11:17 here. Somewhere here I said here. I bought 51,800 put option, and see the fall from here to here. Very good fall. Very good fall. Then it has given very good profit. Very good profit. 400 plus, 500 plus, 600 plus profit you have got. Then at 12:38, if you notice here, see the screenshot. At 12:38 I said I released noon market screenshot. So that time market has neither reached top zone nor bottom zone. Okay, so this screenshot is taken at 12:38. So go here, 12:38. What happened? 12:38. Where is 12:38? 12:38 is here. Okay, it's somewhere here. So now I have kept in I will just go through here, go here and give reset settings. I will keep known market. That's all. See here, I took the screenshot at 12:38 here, somewhere here. So that time market has not reached either top zone or bottom zone. So market has come down to our buy zone only at 3 o'clock. So after 3 o'clock it has given us good target. Go to the settings in the known market. Since we are trading Bank Nifty, how to keep it tiny to target also tiny to. Since buy activated, cancel the sell, enable the buy target. That's all, no more settings. Okay, see how perfectly it has given the target. Buy zone, first target, second target, third target also hit in the known market. In morning market also 9 to 10 targets hit. Again it has given one more buy, again targets hit. In known market also we have got the profit. So this is how our indicator is working in all the markets with the consistent profit. Either you trade in stock, cash market, options, whatever it is, it doesn't matter, you will be in a good profit. Okay, so now you all know the corresponding strike price. What is the corresponding strike price? 50,900 or 50,800, 50,700 call option. Either take ITM or OTM or ATM. So I will show you 50,700 call option Bank Nifty today. Settings, I have to keep known market. Since it is options, I have to keep minimum big 3 or big 4 stop loss and big 3 or big 4 SL. So ensure that you are getting minimum 40 point stop loss and 40 point target. See here, buy activated at 1:30 here 1:21 p.m. the exact low made was 295, our entry was 298. Then it has given the very good rise. So 298 is the entry, so minus 40 to 258 will be the stop loss. We have got very good profit up to here. Once again it has come down, then it has reversed. See the profit yourself. I will enable the first buy target and see all the targets were hit perfectly. So this is how you have to trade. Mainly you need patience. Let the market come down to your zone, then take the entry. If at all SL is hitting, no problem, we can recover immediately or later on we can recover. So at the end, consistently we should be in a profit. Overall we should be in a profit. That is what we have to aim. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number 9500009154. And today we have given extra offer in addition to existing 80% discount. So whoever wants to grab this offer, immediately contact us on this number through WhatsApp. We will be happy to help you. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all everyone to have happy profitable days ahead.